This tool is really easy to use. You just get the right size adapter from your kit and thread it into the tool. Then you thread the tool onto the nose of your crankshaft and tighten it up with a wrench. Make sure you use some lubricant on the main threads of the tightening bolt and cinch it up till you start pressing on your balancer. Lyle Corporation makes one of the best cam bearing installation tools that you can get. It has a main shaft that has a hammering face on one end, a slip-on alignment cone, and an expander assembly at the other end. There's a complete set of expander drivers that will handle any size cam bearings, and they're coated with rubber so they're not going to damage the face of your cam bearing. First, you need to hold your bearing up inside its bore and mark it so that you can line it up once the tool is installed. Then slip the right-sized expander driver into the block, as well as the expander assembly. While everything's inside the block, fit the drive bar into the expander assembly, and then the expander assembly into the expander driver. Then the cam bearing can slip onto the expander driver, and you can line up the mark on the bearing with the one that you made on the block earlier. Now the aligner cone slips in place, and you can bang away. Do all the internal bearings first. Start one bearing in and continue through to the outer bearing. Then you'll want to flip the tool around and line it up in two places so that you can finish off that last external bearing. Always finish up by verifying that your oil holes are all lined up properly. The least expensive kind of torque wrench is the beam style, and when you pull on the handle of one of these, there's a stationary pointer that'll let you know what torque rating you're at. Click-type torque wrenches are usually in a medium price range. They have a dial that you will turn on the handle to set your torque rating, and when you pull on it, it'll click when it gets to the specified torque rating. Dial indicator torque wrenches are the most accurate but also the most expensive.
Clevite Engine Parts is a manufacturer and supplier of some of the best engine components you can get. Clevite offers complete engine kits for almost every make and model of cars, trucks, and marine applications. Their kits are comprised of the highest quality engine parts, including Clevite 77 engine bearings, Victor Reinz gaskets, and perfect circle piston rings. When you're looking for the best parts and a complete engine kit for your rebuild, ask for Clevite.